Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever been frustrated by your daily flossing routine or wondered if there's a quicker and more efficient way to maintain your oral health? If you're looking for something that fits seamlessly into your routine, enhances gum health, and removes debris effortlessly, then stay tuned. Today, I'm reviewing the doctor's BrushPicks Interdental Toothpicks, a simple yet effective tool that promises to improve your oral hygiene in just a matter of weeks. These interdental toothpicks come in a convenient 120-piece pack, complete with a portable dispensing case, perfect for on-the-go use. They're designed to clean between your teeth, much like floss, but without the struggle of string or complicated techniques. Let's dive in and see how these picks hold up in real-world usage. When it comes to the ingredients or materials used in the doctor's BrushPicks, the company has focused on durability and ease of use. They are improved with Plyalene, a material that ensures the bristles last longer while effectively cleaning in between teeth without causing harm to your gums or dental work. This is a major plus for those with sensitive teeth or dental implants, as they gently remove food debris and plaque, all while promoting gum health and helping to fight gingivitis. Now let's talk about how these picks actually perform. I've been using these for the past couple of weeks, and I have to say, I'm impressed. The flexibility of the brush tip makes it incredibly easy to navigate between teeth, especially those hard-to-reach molars. I found that the action of sliding the pick back and forth felt gentle but thorough, offering that satisfying sense of cleanliness after every use. What I really appreciated was how simple it was to integrate into my daily routine. Unlike traditional floss, I didn't need to worry about the awkward maneuvering or the frustration of breaking floss. These picks are small, portable, and offer a straightforward, no-fuss solution to oral hygiene. They also stimulate the gums, which is something I noticed right away. It was great for promoting better periodontal health over time. Let's break down the pros and cons, starting with the good stuff. First of all, they're extremely easy to use. The compact case makes it so simple to carry them around, so you can use them anywhere, whether at work, after meals, or while traveling. The flexible bristles are gentle yet effective, and they do a great job of scraping away plaque without damaging dental work. Plus, the fact that these are designed to help prevent gingivitis is a huge win. On the flip side, the only downside I noticed is that the picks may not work as well for those with very tight spaces between their teeth. They're a bit thicker than traditional floss, so if you have very narrow gaps, you might find them a bit challenging to use in certain areas. Also, while they are highly effective, they do require a little more dexterity than floss, especially for people who are new to using interdental picks. Is this product worth the price? When you consider the quality of the bristles, the convenience of the packaging, and the potential improvements in oral health, I do think it offers great value. It's a small investment for something that can make a noticeable difference in the health of your gums and teeth over time. Now, if you're comparing the doctor's BrushPicks to other oral hygiene tools, there are a few alternatives you could look at. For example, traditional floss or other dental tools like soft picks from different brands. However, the flexibility and durability of these picks set them apart from other options. Plus, the fact that they're gentle on dental work is a big plus for people who have crowns, bridges, or braces. As for build quality, the picks feel sturdy and reliable. The case is compact but durable, making it easy to carry in your bag or purse without worrying about it breaking open. It's clear that the materials used in the picks are built to last, and they continue to perform well even after 2 weeks of daily use. Midway through the review, I just want to quickly say, if you're finding this review helpful, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews just like this one. And if you're itching to get these interdental picks, the link is in the comments below. If you've ever interacted with customer service for the doctor's BrushPicks, I can say that the brand is known for being responsive and handling inquiries well. While I didn't have a need for customer service myself, their reputation for helping customers out is certainly reassuring. When it comes to alternatives, if you're on a budget, you can find similar interdental picks from other brands. But in my experience, these perform exceptionally well in terms of durability and ease of use. If you don't mind spending a little extra, I would definitely say these picks are worth the investment, especially if you're looking for something long-lasting and effective. To wrap it up, the doctor's BrushPicks Interdental Toothpicks are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to improve their oral health routine. They're easy to use, portable, and deliver noticeable results in a short amount of time. Whether you're dealing with plaque, food debris, or just want a more effective alternative to flossing, these picks do a great job. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, stay beautiful inside and out. Until next time, right here on Beautyistic.